you, comment ça va, bienvenue. Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're going to be making delicious, healthy smoothie. Yay! To make the smoothie, you're going to need the following: some low-fat or full-fat yogurt,
Awesome, and some mixed berries.
and some oat organic milk or normal milk.
And you need some fun straws.
First thing first, guys, you're going to take some delicious yogurt. Trying to get the thing out, guys. Got it. And then you're going to take a scoop of yogurt, put it into the bowl, and repeat this process till the bowl is halfway full.
Now, guys, I'm going to put the mixed berries in the bowl. Now, please can you pass me the measuring cup?
Here you go, Aron.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, guys, you're going to drop the berries into the blending machine. Make sure an adult is here to help. Thank you, Aron. Oh, you can drop it. What? It's almost full. Just a little bit more. Thanks to get. Now, guys, I'm going to blend the berries. Make sure your mom or dad is close to supervise you or help. Guys, now it's all blended in. Guys, my mom had helped me transfer the berries into the bowl. Now I'm going to give it a good mix. Agitate, mixing the berries into the yogurt.
Guys, this smells delicious.
My mom has helped us transfer the smoothie into these fancy cups.
To drink with us, we're going to use this awesome stuff.
Guys, plastic straws can hurt the ocean and sea creatures. So sad. Oh, remember to use metal straws. That will make you a
superhero.
Guys, now we're going to taste. The smoothie tastes so delicious and it smells like gummy bears, guys. But it's super healthy.
Yum.
It's a 5 out of 5 stars. Please like and subscribe. Au revoir.